This video explains how to get a trial license for Spark NLP for Healthcare and Spark OCR libraries, and how to set up a new account on myjohnsonlabs.com, which will help you manage trials as well as your regular subscriptions. The first step is to go to johnsonlabs.com website and click on the Install Software button on the upper side of the screen. Then press on the Sign Up for NLP Libraries button, fill in the pop-up form with your information, and click on the Get Free License button. You will be redirected to a welcome page, which tells you to validate the provided email. Open your email client and check for the email from Johnson Labs. Here, click on the Validate My Email button. After validation, you will receive a second email with installation instructions and instructions on how to connect to your account on myjohnsonlabs.com. Click on the Login button on the email and then define a new password for your account. Finally, log into your account and check My Subscriptions page. You will find there a 30-day trial subscription that you can download and use in your Python notebooks or on the Annotation Lab tool. Now you can start experimenting with the libraries.